I wanna tell you a story about my friend named Scotty. He's just an average dude with a nice little doggy. The dog's name is Dallas, he's a smooth Lothario. He likes humping my leg and watching Mario. I mean Dallas the dog, not Scotty. They both like Mario, but Scotty's never been on me. Dallas got a blue eye, Dallas got a brown eye. It's called heterochromia and it's common in dogs. A famous person with heterochromia is Christopher Walken. Speaking of walking, I was walking my dachshund when I saw Scotty and Dallas, so I said hello. My dog didn't like Dallas, so we had to go. That's just a thing, some dogs don't get along. But dogs are great, there's no right or wrong. Dallas is a bigger breed, my dog's kinda weird. Did I mention earlier that Scotty's got a beard? It's not pertinent to the story, if you can even call this that. It's less of a story, more of a slice of life rap. Anyway, both dog and man are my friend, but after this rap, I don't think I'll see him again. Dallas, 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 Dallas. Scotty, 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 Scotty. Dallas, 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 Dallas. Scotty, 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 Scotty. Mario, 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 Party!